With a combination of over 30 silk, wire, and cotton-based threads spun together, I now present to you... Super String! I said, it's Super String!
More like stupid string.
I know what you're thinking, Mike. You're like, what's so super about it? Great question, Mike. Well, how about that it's very easily able to withstand the pull of 18,000 more kilos than any other string known to...
Snooze alert.
known to bird kind! Or pig kind, for that matter!
Sup, sis?
Chuck! I'm so happy to... It's really... great to... Jinx! 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 Jinx, 1, 2, 3, I win! You can't speak until someone says your name.
Hello? You in here? Hello? You?
You?
You.
Wait, you know this guy? Oh, okay, Chuck. I unjinx you.
Yeah, this is one of my best buddies, Red, and these are the guys.
Hey, we're the guys.
Guys, this is Silver, the greatest kid sister in the world.
Well, I'm not exactly a kid anymore, Chuck.
Oh, you'll always be my kid sister.
Okay,